guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I made homemade almond milk and I really enjoyed it. So, today we're going to continue with that and make some delicious almond donuts from the leftover almonds. Almonds are an excellent source of healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also gluten-free, making them a great all-around nut. For those with dietary restrictions, plus, they're super easy to work with. To make the donuts, we're going to need the following ingredients: 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, a pinch of salt optional. First, we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees and spray non-stick cooking spray on donut pans. Next, mix everything together. Honey is the perfect natural sweetener. We'll need to dry out the mixture a bit. This is where we can add some flour or even coconut flour. I chose to keep it low carb by eliminating the flour. Pour the batter onto the prepared baking sheet and spread it out evenly. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes or until they're golden brown on the edges. Allow them to cool completely on the baking sheet. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, guys. Delicious homemade almond donuts made with the leftover almonds from making almond milk. This is an easy and delicious recipe you can make for the whole family, high in protein and low carbs, not to mention delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.